Hey friends, make roasted chicken with delicious marinade this way for a perfect lunch or dinner on any day of the week with just a very few steps. For this recipe, I have 2 young chicken that I'm going to cut into halves, part them completely dry, and then slash them to create entry points for the marinade. Using kitchen shears, just go from the back towards the front of the chicken. Open the chicken up, just pat it dry more. Take some of the excess fat that we and then with a sharp knife you want to make some slashes from the drums going up. Turn the chicken around and do the same on the other side. This goes into a bowl. Continue and finish the other chicken. Now set this chicken aside and prep the marinade. The marinade for this roasted chicken is actually very simple. Some spices, some onions, some tomato, garlic ginger paste, tomato paste, some lemon juice, and some oil. All these goes into the blender. Finish with some salt, black pepper, pour just about a cup of this marinade. I'll save this for later. So we need some more salt in here, black pepper, and then I'm going to go in, massage this, and then we'll let this marinade for about an hour or so before it heads into the oven, and then we'll probably cut it in halves so that we have 4 halves of the chickens or the chicken. Now this chicken has been marinating for about an hour. Actually, you can do this overnight, which is perfect. Our oven has come to temp at 425. Just one more time, massage this chicken. That is optional, definitely. Sprinkle some salt. And this chicken is ready to go into the oven for between 55 and maybe about an hour and 15, all until the chicken is cooked through about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. See you later. Into this bowl, 2 cups Basmati rice to go with our chicken. Rinse this rice until the water runs clear. Now to make the rice, I have the marinade that we reserved, some of the red onions, some spices, coriander, cumin, turmeric, also whole spices, fennel, cumin, some cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom, and a small piece of cinnamon. Salt and pepper as well. Into this preheating pan, add vegetable cooking oil. Into the pan, add the whole spices. Let them toast just so slightly. Add some of the leftover red onions. Our spices, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and some garam masala. Bring the heat up again. Add some of this marinade. And cook until they slightly separate. Now this tomato mixture or the marinade is all cooked down. Bring back the rice which I have just drained. Some salt. Some black pepper. Thoroughly stir this to make sure that every single grain on this rice is coated by this delicious marinade. This is a good way of carrying over flavors from one ingredient or from one dish to the other so that you have a sort of uniformity. This is perfect for holidays. Now, using the same cup that I used to measure the rice with, add 3 cups water and then 2. With heat all the way up, bring this rice to a boil. Open this and give the pot a good stir. Now we lower the heat to the lowest setting and cook this for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, our chicken is doing so well in the oven. As the rice continues to cook, I will brush this chicken with some of the extra marinade just to enhance the flavors. And back into the oven to finish cooking. With about 15 minutes left for the chicken to get done, I chopped some cilantro and then I had some prepared green beans, added some salt, pepper, some of the ginger garlic paste, some oil, and then into the oven to serve with the rice, which is almost done. Turn off the heat. Add the cilantro, lemon juice, and then mix everything, giving this rice a good stir. Just a quick taste seasoning. So there you have it, friends, our delicious rice. Serve this dish family style. Just like so. Now you can serve this with any vegetable of your choice. I had some green beans. Some of these. Top this with our chicken. And there you have it. Try this roasted chicken. Look at how just is breaking, all cooked through. Very juicy chicken, very delicious, easy to make. The breast, which is the hardest part of the chicken to cook, still very moist. Look at that. So friends, there you have it, our roasted chicken with delicious marinade, served with some basmati rice, which is just so fluffy, some green beans. You can do any vegetables of your choice. I hope this is a recipe that you can try on any day of the week. This is especially so good during this holiday season. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you so much for watching this one. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.